Good day, STEM students. So here's the continuation of our topic about parabola. So let's start. So here's the example. So we have the vertex which is 3 and negative 2. And we already have the latus rectum which is equal to 8. And our opening is upward. So as you can see class, we don't have the value of our C. So how do we find our C if the latus rectum is already given? So we are going to use the formula for the latus rectum which is LR is equal to 4C since we have C in this given. Okay? So all we have to do class is to substitute the value of our latus rectum which is 8. So we have 8 is equal to 4C, and to find the value of C, we're going to divide it both side by 4. So we have 4, and then C is equal to 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay po? So therefore, our C is equal to 2. Class, remember, yung latus rectum is a line segment that is passes through our focus. That is the length of that line segment, 8. And since that is 8, we're going to divide it by 2. Okay? Equally divided by 2. That is the length of our latus rectum. That passes through our focus. Okay? So later, I will draw po the latus rectum in our graph. Okay? So since we already have the units or the C units, we can now determine our directrix and focus. But before that, we are going to plot first our vertex, which is 3 and negative 2. Our vertex is located at the quadrant 4. So therefore, count tayo ng 3. 3 to our x-axis and negative 2 to our y-axis. So therefore, this is our vertex. So after plotting the vertex, let us determine our directrix. So since our opening is upward, our directrix is going down. Downward po siya. And we are going to count 2 units from our vertex to determine our directrix. So from our vertex, count tayo ng 2 downward. 1, 2. So as you can see, this is our directrix. And how to determine our directrix? Kung saan po mag-intersect itong line na ito, itong directrix na to. So, as you can see, mag-intersect siya kay negative 4. So, therefore, our directrix is equal to negative 4. But what axis? Since nag-intersect siya sa vertical line, and that is our y. So, therefore, our directrix is y is equal to negative 4. Okay po. Now, since we already have the directrix, we can now determine our focus. All we have to do is to count 2 units from our vertex upward since our opening is upward. So, count tayo 1, 2. So, this is our focus class. So, if this is our focus, remember that the axis of symmetry is nagpa-pass through siya from our focus and to our vertex and perpendicular to our directrix. Okay? Again, when we say latus rectum, that is the length of our line segment. And it should be equally divided by 2. So, if this is our focus and the axis of symmetry passes through our focus, we can now count 4 units from our focus to the left and 4 units from our focus to the right to know how narrow and how wide our latus rectum. Okay? So, count tayo ng 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is our first latus rectum. And then, count tayo 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second endpoint of our latus rectum. Okay po. So, therefore, class, this is the line segment of our latus rectum. So, ibig sabihin, that is our parabola. How wide and how narrow our parabola. So, ganyan ka-wide po yung ating parabola. Okay? Then, from the vertex, go to our endpoint of our latus rectum. So, that is our graph. Okay? So, how to determine po our latus rectum? All you have to do is to determine the ordered pair of the first endpoint, this one. Okay? So, the ordered pair of this endpoint is -1 and 0. While the second endpoint, which is this one, is +7 and 0. So, therefore, we already have the endpoints, two endpoints of our latus rectum. Okay? Now, we're going to determine the standard equation using the vertex and using the value of our C. Okay po. So, since our C is equal to 2, our directrix is equal to Y is equal to -4, and our focus is 3 and 0. So, let us determine the standard equation. So, we have, so since ang upward natin is x and -2, we are going to use the, so since nasa y-axis siya, so we are going to use the x squared, okay? Or the x minus h squared equals upward class, so that is positive. So therefore, we have for c and our y is y minus k. Positive, that's why we use this equation. Okay? And we already have the h and k, that's why we are going to use this equation. Now, let us substitute po our h and k and then c to find or determine the standard equation. So, we have x minus 3 squared equals 4, what is c? 2. Then, y plus 2, y plus because our k is -2. That's why it will become positive. Okay po. Now, let us simplify. So, we have x minus 3 squared equals 4 times 2 is 8 times the quantity of y plus 2. So, this is already our standard equation. Okay po. Next, after determining the standard equation, proceed po tayo kay general equation. Let us find the squared of this one. So, we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 8y plus, we're going to distribute this one ha. 8 times y is 8y, 8 times 2 is positive 16. So, that is our answer po. Then, after this, let us simplify po. Okay? So, we have x squared minus 6x. Find the additive inverse of 8y. So, this will become negative 8y. And then, 9 plus 16. So, since ang plus 16, if we're going to get the additive inverse, this will become negative. So, 9 minus 16 is negative 7. Okay? So, that is negative 7 equals 0. And therefore, this is already our general equation. Okay po? Now, let us give another example. How about if we're going to determine the focus, directrix, and the endpoints, the two endpoints of latus rectum of the given parabola, and then we are going to sketch the graph. So, here's the first example. So, in the first example class, as you can see, we already have the standard equation. We don't have the vertex, the opening, the C, and of course, we don't have the latus rectum. So, how do we determine those given, those vertex, opening, and then C, using this equation? So, as you can see, the given is already in the standard equation. So, how po? So, all you have to do, class, is to look at the given here. Okay? Any given na kasama po ni y or ni x dito, or if ever na may h and k siya, that is already our latus rectum. Okay? That is the value of our latus rectum. So, since the given is 12, that is already our latus rectum. And since we already have the latus rectum, we can now determine our C. All you have to do, class, is to use the formula for the latus rectum, which is LR is equal to 4C. So, since our latus rectum is 12, and that is equal to 4C, to determine our C, let us divide both side by 4. Okay po. So, therefore, our C is equal to 3 because 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, we already have the value of our C. Class, remember lang, to easily determine our C, all you have to do is to look at the number here and direct nyo nang i-divide by 4. So, 12 divided by 4, we already have the C. Okay? Ganun lang po yung shortcut natin doon. Even without solving using the formula of our LR. Now, class, as you can see, we don't have H and K. So, therefore, our vertex, if we don't have H and K, is 0 and 0. Right? Now, how about po, ma'am, the opening? So, as you can see again, our 12y is positive. Since our 12y is positive, therefore, our opening is upward, right? Since our starting variable is x squared. So, kung x squared siya, the opening should be at the y-axis. So, kung y-axis siya, therefore, our opening is upward. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, class, even ang given natin is already in the standard equation, we can now determine the vertex, the opening, the C, the latus rectum, and also, makukuha din natin si directrix and the focus. Okay po. Now, since we already have the upward and the C, and also the vertex, we can now graph given um, the given value. Okay po. So, since our vertex is at the 0, 0 or at the origin, ito po yung ating vertex, we can count po 3 units from our vertex upward because our opening is upward. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, this is our focus, right? And then, our directrix is from the vertex, count din tayo ng 3. So, 1, 2, 3 class. This is our directrix. And nag-intersect po siya sa y-axis. So, therefore, the value of our directrix is y is equal to negative 3. Okay po. Now, how about our focus? Siyempre, our focus here is 0 and 3. That is the ordered pair for the focus. So, 0 and 3. Okay? So, we already have the directrix and the focus. And look at our latus rectum. That is 12. We are going to divide it by 2. So, ibig sabihin, class, we are going to count from our focus 6 units, okay, to the left. And then 6 units to the right. Okay po. So, let us count po. Sa focus na tayo mag-start ha, para mabilis. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is the first endpoint of our latus rectum. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the second endpoint of our latus rectum. Class, remember that this length should be equal to 12. Okay? Since that is 12 units. Okay? This one. Okay? Since our LR is 12 units from the endpoint up to the second endpoint. Okay? So, therefore, our graph po is, our parabola is here. From the vertex up to this, and then from the vertex up to this. And that is our parabola. How wide our parabola. Okay? Ganyan po ka-wide yung ating parabola. Okay? So, next, after determining the latus rectum, we can now give the ordered pair for the latus rectum 1 and the latus rectum 2. So, ito muna yung latus rectum 1 natin, LR1. So, what is the ordered pair for this one? So, we have negative 6 and then positive 3. So, we have negative 6 and then positive 3. And then, our latus rectum 2 naman, ito naman po yan. So, we have positive 6 and then positive 3. So, we have positive 6 and positive 3. Okay po. Now, after giving the ordered pair for the latus rectum and latus rectum 1 and latus rectum 2, and then we can now determine the general equation since we already have the standard equation. But, syempre, kayo na ang bahalang mag-determine ng general equation. Okay po. Next tayo. Next example. So, we have y squared equals negative 8x. O class, o using this equation, we can determine also the vertex. So, since we don't have h and k, of course, our vertex is 0 and 0. Class, how about the opening? So, as you can see, class, nag-start po siya sa y squared. So, therefore, ang opening natin, it's either to the left or to the right. Okay? And as you can see, we have negative here. So, therefore, it's either down or left siya. Pero since nag-start tayo siya kay y squared, it means our opening is to the left. Since we have negative. So, to the left. Okay po. Now, what is our C? Class, look at this given. Class, our latus rectum is always positive, ha? Never siya magiging negative. So, our LR is 8. So, therefore, our C units is 8 divided by 4. So, therefore, we have 2. Okay? Now, all we have to do is to find our directrix and the focus. Okay? So, let us graph po muna. So, our vertex is 0, 0. So, here's our vertex, 0, 0. Count lang tayo ng our opening is to the left, di ba? So, therefore, ang ating focus ay papunta kay left. Okay po? So, from here, count tayo ng 2, 1, 2. So, therefore, this is our focus. Okay? This is our focus. And then, count tayo ng 2 units again, papunta naman sa right to find the directrix. Class, para hindi kayo malito sa directrix, mag-start kayo dito. And then, mag-i-intersect siya kay x right. So, ano yung matatamaan niya? This is 2. Diba? Natamaan niya si 2. So, therefore, our directrix is x is equal to 2. Okay? Since ang natamaan niya is yung x-axis ng, yung axis ng x. Okay po? And then, our focus naman, if we're going to get the ordered pair, we have negative 2 and 0. Okay po. Now, how wide or how narrow our parabola? That is 8. So, divide natin by 2. So, we have 4 papunta kay upward and then 4 papunta kay downward. So, start tayo kay focus. So, count tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the first endpoint and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second endpoint. Okay, after po getting the 2 endpoints, of course, we can now draw the parabola. Okay po. So, that is our parabola na. Now, what is our LR1 and our LR2? So, pwede naman magbaliktad ang LR1 and LR2, ha, class? Pero, sige, start nyo na tayo muna dito sa LR1. Ito na lang muna. So, we have negative 2 and katapat niya ay negative 4. So, we have negative 4. Next po is negative 2 again. And then we have positive 4. So, that is already our LR1 and LR2. Next po is, again, kayo na po ang mag-determine ng general equation. Okay po? Next tayo. Proceed tayo sa example number 3. O, ma'am, paano po yan? Meron na pong H and K. How do we determine po the vertex? Just look at lang, class, the given. So, as you can see, class, ang kasama niya ay x. So, therefore, 3 ang ating titingnan. And since ito ay plus, therefore, our vertex is negative 3. Next, ito namang y. Ang kasama niya naman po ay 4. Since subtraction po ito, therefore, ang given natin ay positive. Okay? So, we already have the vertex, class. We have negative 3 and 4. How about po the opening? Okay, the opening is syempre, that is upward. Ma'am, bakit po upward? Kasi nag-start siya kay x. Okay? So, kung x siya, dapat ang buka niya is y. So, therefore, bakit po upward? Kasi wala namang negative si 12. Okay? So, therefore, the opening is upward. So, all you have to do, class, is to look at the standard equation. Ma'am, paano po yung value ng C? O, edi tingnan nyo tong 12. You are going to divide it by 4. So, 12 divided by 4 is, again, the C units is 3. Now, after getting this one, we can now determine our our directrix and the focus. Okay, to determine the focus and the directrix, of course, we need to plot muna our vertex. So, our vertex is negative 3 and 4. So, that is located at the second quadrant. So, negative 3 and then positive 4. So, ito po yon. Okay, ito po yung ating given. So, from the vertex, syempre, count tayo ng 3 upward. Kasi ang ating opening ay upward. So, the focus should be at the upward of the vertex. So, 1, 2, 3. So, this is our focus. And then, count tayo pababa. 1, 2, 3. So, this is our directrix. Okay po. So, ito yung directrix natin. Next po is, we can now determine po our focus. So, our focus is negative 3 and then 7. And then, our directrix is equal to y is equal to 1. Okay po. Next, count tayo ng, since 12 yan, dapat 6 units from the focus to the left and then 6 units to the focus from the 6 units from the focus to the right. Okay? So, count tayo ng 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ito po yung ating first endpoint. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is our second endpoint po. Now, let us draw a parabola. Okay po? So, here po. And then, this one. Okay po? Then, syempre, mag-draw kayo ng latus rectum dito. It should be passed through the focus po natin. Okay po? Now, what is our LR1, LR1, and LR2? So, therefore, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. We have the negative 9, and then we have positive 7. We have positive 7. And then, our LR2 is positive 3, and then we have 7. Okay? Now, we can now determine po the general equation. Okay? So, next example tayo. This is the last example, class, ha? Okay? So, here's the last example po. So, our given naman po is y minus 5 squared is equal to negative 4 times x plus 1. So, class, all you have to do, class, again, is to check po if sino po yung kasama ni y and ni x. So, to find the vertex in this example, class, iba naman po ito, ha? So, as you can see, nauna po si y, followed by our x. So, syempre, dito muna kayo mag-check, okay? So, ano yung kasama ni x dito? We have the positive 1. So, if that is positive 1, therefore, our vertex is negative 1, and then yung kasama ni y is negative 5, which is we're going to rewrite that as 5 lang since ang operation natin dito ay subtraction. So now we already have the vertex. What would be our opening? So class, as you can see, we have negative here, right? May negative tayo dito. And nag-start siya kay y. So it's either mag-open siya to the right and to the left. And since nag-start siya kay y, syempre, and negative siya, of course, our opening is to the left, right? So, our opening po is to the left. Since sa y po siya nag-start. So, if this is y, dapat mag-open siya kay x-axis. Okay po? So, what is our C? Oh, look at the given. Ito yung katabi ng x plus 1. So, since that is 4 divided by 4, so, therefore, our C units is 1 lang. And our latus rectum po ay 4. So, let us find po our directrix and our focus. So, all we have to do, class, is to graph po. Okay? So, we have negative 1 and then positive 5. So, therefore, this is our vertex. So, after getting the vertex, let us find our focus. Dapat daw ay 1 unit lang. So, kung 1 unit lang, ito po yung ating focus. So, lagay na natin yung focus ha. This is our focus. And of course, 1 unit din to our right to find our directrix. So, syempre, makikita nyo, class, nasa y-axis lang siya. Pero, hindi porket nasa y-axis siya, class, ay y-axis din yung ilalagay nyo. Tandaan nyo, class, kahalera lang siya ng y-axis, pero hindi siya nag-intersect. Kaparallel lang siya ng y-axis. Pero, magi-intersect siya doon kay x-axis. Ito yung x-axis natin, di ba? Nag-intersect siya kay x-axis. That's why our directrix is equal to 0. Okay po? Clear tayo dun ha? Nag-intersect siya kay x-axis and not kay y-axis. Kaline lang po siya ni y-axis. Okay? And then, our focus is negative 2 and 5. Okay po? That is our focus. Now, paano po ang ating end of latus rectum? Class, our latus rectum is 4. So, if we're going to divide it by 2, we have 2 upward and 2 downward. So, count tayo from the focus ng tig 2. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So, from the vertex, syempre, draw kayo ng parabola. Okay? So, therefore, this is our 2 latus rectum. So, this is our latus rectum 1 and the latus rectum 2. So, our latus rectum 1 is, ano po yung kanyang ordered pair. So, we have negative 2 and positive 3. While our latus rectum 2 is, we have negative 2 and positive 7. So, we have negative 2 and positive 7. And that's all po, class. That is our graph for the example number 4. Okay? So, if you have any question, class, do not hesitate to ask me po. Okay? So, thank you so much, class, for listening. I hope I hope that you learned a lot about parabola. So, thank you so